Hello, medical aspirants. Welcome to my next video on Ucat quantitative reasoning for admission into British medical schools. Here comes your first question. The table shows the percentage of the number of visitors to a national park in USA during a year who saw wolves. So the wolf sighting at National Park Spring, 496 visitors, and the percentage who saw wolves, that's 25%. Summer, 480 visitors. The percentage who saw wolves, that's 15%. Fall, that's autumn, the number of visitors, 300. The percentage who saw wolves, that's 20%. And in winter, you had 220 visitors, and you need to calculate the percentage of visitors who saw wolves. So if total 344 visitors saw wolves at the park during a year, calculate what percentage of visitors in the winter saw wolves. So pause the video and try to attempt this question yourself. All right, here comes the solution. So first, the visitors who saw wolves in spring. So this is 0.25. That's 25% of 496. So 0.25 times 496, that's 124 visitors. The number of visitors who saw wolves in summer, that's 15% of 480, which is 0.15 times 480, that is 72. The number of wolves, the number of visitors who saw wolves in the fall, that's 20%. So that is 0.20 multiplied by 300, and that's 60. So let's try to calculate the total number of visitors who saw wolves in spring, summer, and the fall. So it is 124 plus 72 plus 60, which is 256. But here it says the total 344 visitors. So the remaining wolves were seen in winter. So that would be 344 minus 256, and that would be 88. So the percentage would be 88 divided by 220. So here 88 divided by 220 multiplied by 100, and that gives you 40%. All right, here comes your next question. A city hosts a children's festival every year. The festival had 5 events in year 1, and the total number of children who participated in all the events was 344,250. That is 344,250. Then there were 6 events in the year 2, and the average number of children who participated in all the events was 12% greater than the average number in year 1. What was the total number of children who participated in all the events in year 2? So pause the video and try attempting this question. So here's the answer. So the total number of children who participated in year 1 was 344,250. So, and the average would be 344,250 divided by 5, that would be 68,850. But the question says that for year 2, there were 12% greater. So the number of children participating in year 2 would be 12% greater. So that would be 112 divided by 100 multiplied by 68,850, which is 77,112. Now, the total number of children participating in year 2 would be, this is the average. So the total would be, there are 6 events. So that would be 77,112 multiplied by 6. That gives you 462,672. So that's the answer, 462 and 672. All right, here comes your next question. This question is on bar graph. The bar graph shows the number of members in 2 different age groups at 2 gyms at the beginning of a year. So you see this dark one represents 20 to 24 age group, and this light one represents 25 to 29 years age group. During the year, the number of members in the age group 25 to 29 in both the gyms combined, increasing by approximately 12%. So for 25 to 29 years, it's increasing by 12%. After the increase, what was the approximate total number of members in both the gyms for the age groups shown. So pause the video and try attempting this question. Here comes the solution. So let's try to find out the total number of members in the age group 25 to 29. So 25 to 29, this one, 22 and 15, that gives me 37. It's 12% increase. So 12% increase of 37 is approximately 41.4. We round it to 41. Now let's add it. So 26 plus 39 plus 41, that gives you approximately 106. So E is your right answer. All right, here comes your next question. You have a table and the table shows the estimated area of organic fruit trees sown in different countries in a year. You have cherry and plum. You have country 1, 2907, and plum is 759. Country 2, 574 for cherry, and plum is 2471. Country 3, 863 for cherry, and plum is 1195. Approximately by what percentage is the area covered by organic plum trees in the three countries combined greater than the area covered by organic cherry trees in the three countries combined? So try attempting this question. All right, here comes your solution. So let's calculate the total area covered by cherry tree. So 2907, 574, 863, you add them, you get 4344 hectares. These are the answers are in hectares. Area covered by the plum tree fruits, that's 759 plus 2471 plus 1195, that is 4425 hectares. So what is the increase? You subtract them. This is greater. So 4425 minus 4344. So there's a typo error here. So it is 4425 minus 4344, and that would give you 81. So the percentage would be the increase divided by the area covered by the cherry. So that is 481 divided by 4344 multiplied by 100. That gives you 1.86%, which is approximately 1.9%. So your answer is A. All right, that's all for today's class. Watch out my next video on quantitative reasoning.